Hello, in this video we are going to evaluate and find its final answer without making use of a calculator. 2 to the power of 19 minus 2 to the power of 18. So whenever you have a problem like this, what you need to do is to rewrite this 2 to the power of 19 as 2 to the power of 18 plus 1. We want it to correspond with what we have here. Then we have minus 2 to the power of 18. So at this point we make use of this identity. If you have a to the power of n plus m, this equals a to the power of n times a to the power of m. So let's go ahead and apply this identity right here. We are going to have 2 to the power of 18 times 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 18. So at this point, we have 2 to the power of 18 here. We have 2 to the power of 18 here. We can factor that out. So we are going to have 2 to the power of 18 into, let's go ahead and divide this 2 to the power of 18 times 2 to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of 18. We are going to have 2 to the power of 1 minus, we divide 2 to the power of 18 by this 2 to the power of 18 here. We are going to have 1. So we proceed. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to have 2 to the power of 18 into 2 to the power of 1 is 2. We have minus 1. And this will give us, we are going to have 2 to the power of 18 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So if you multiply this out, we are going to have 2 to the power of 18. This is the answer in index form. So let's find the value for 2 to the power of 18. So that is the next thing that we are going to do right now. Now this 2 to the power of 18, we can write it as 2 to the power of 9 all to the power of 2. Recall this identity. If you have a to the power of n all to the power of m, this equals a to the power of n times m. So if you multiply 9 times 2, you are going to have 18. So this hasn't changed anything. Now the next thing we are going to do is, what is the value for 2 to the power of 9? 2 to the power of 9 equals 2 into 9 places. So let's write it out. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, 64 times 2 is 128, 128 times 2 is 256, 256 times 2, we are going to have 512. So 2 to the power of 9 is 512. Right now we are going to have 512 all to the power of 2. And this equals, we can rewrite this as 500 plus 12 because that is 512. And we have 500 plus 12 again. So this will give us, let's expand this bracket. 500 times 500. Then we have 500 times 12. 12 times 500 and 12 times 12. Let's multiply that out. 500 times 500, we are going to have 250,000. 500 times 12, we are going to have 6,000. 12 times 500, we are going to have 6,000 again. Then 12 times 12, we are going to have 144. So let's add up everything we have here. This will give us 250,000 plus 6,000 times plus 6,000, that is 12,000 plus 144. So if we go ahead and add this up, let's carry out the addition. We have 250,000. We have 12,000. We have 144. So we are just going to add it up. 0 plus 0 plus 4, we have 4. The same thing here, 4. We have 1. 0 plus 2, we have 2. 5 plus 1, we have 6. Then we bring down this 2. So this gives us 262144. So that means the value for 2 to the power of 18 here is simply, we are going to have 262144. So we can all agree that 2 to the power of 19 minus 2 to the power of 18 equals 2 to the power of 18, which equals 262144. So that is it for the video. Thank you and goodbye.